everybody. Today I have a review on the Nerf and Shrike Maverick. So, what's sad about this is that I only have 5 darts and it's supposed to have 6, so that kind of sucks. But anyway, so yeah. So, this is the Nerf and Shrike Maverick. So, as you can see, there it says Nerf in yellow. And that is in yellow. That's so weird. Normally it would be like in white and black, something like that. Or in silver or something. But now it's in yellow. But, I mean, on certain one, it's orange. So I will be coming out with a Nerf barrel break review soon. So, yeah. But, yeah. So first, let's talk about it. So if you can see there, it says Maverick. Maverick Rev 6. You could kind of see it there. And the draw, very hard. For me, before I need to cock it like that and then fire. But now I'm just do this. So it got stronger since I was 6 when I did that. Now I'm 7. So yeah. The pop-out barrel, very small. If you see my strong arm review, it pops so much better. And also, tactical rail on the handguard. Stupid. So stupid. Why did Nerf and Hasbro think of that? Because if I grab a sight right here. So, I know why this is wet, probably because of the retaliator grip. So check out that review as well. I did mention that. So, like, it's so stupid for Nerf to do that. Like, why did they do that? Why? Like, why? Like, if you try to cock it, well, it's so hard. Like ow, 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 that hurt. Ow. So I pinch myself by doing that, so sorry about that. Like, if you try to, like, see how hard it is? I don't know, it's so stupid for Nerf to do that. So, like, when you try to prime it, it's, you can't really do it. And then you may pinch yourself like I did, as you saw there, but, so, like, that's so stupid for Nerf to do it. I don't know why they did it, they just did, but they did invent a nice sight, like if you can see it there. So that's why, I know why they invented a tactical rail here, they just did. I mean, it's nice for them to include on pistols, you know pistols don't really have tactical rails, like the Triad and the Jolt. I also done a review on those, so check those out as well. But they're too tiny to have attachments, but the Fire Shark does, so that's nice, and that's a really small gun. But, as I already mentioned, the draw, very hard. It also has a belt loop there, so, like, you can put a bandolier on. It comes with these suction cup darts, like, if I stick one on the camera, there. I just stuck one on the camera. Like, you couldn't see it, but I actually did stick one on the camera. So, like, it's right there. It's like directly right there. It's right there. So you will see that on YouTube. Well, it actually is on YouTube. So yeah. I mean, it's not really on YouTube. I just wanted to mention that because I didn't want to be like, oh, it's not on YouTube. And then people come and watch them and say like, it is on YouTube. So I just wanted to. So let me just put this back, guys. So that took much less time, but anyways, just pull that down, that dart. So I just changed the camera because that did pull. And if you can hear that, it's very strong. Well, it's not bad strong, but, and this does get around 30 feet. It also says, and Shrike there, and Shrike there. I am a right-handed, so I'm going to have the nice side, but for left-handers, you're going to have the plain side. So I like the nice side, like it has the Nerf logo. And on the handle, it's silver, which I really like. The bottom is just plain black, but I understand. Like, it looks like there's a real clip in there, so that's awesome. Like, if you look down there, the barrel is actually this big. It may not look big. It may look like it's just this big, but actually, see that entire orange big? That is actually, if you like undo it, that is the entire barrel. So the barrel is actually not very long, but it is still long for a tiny gun. And the trigger, no holes. I mean, the long shot has that, but no holes like it normally does. But it's still fine. It doesn't change anything. Like it literally doesn't change even like a thing. So it also says it has that cool groove. And if you look on the other side, it still has that cool groove, but it also has some warning, like there. You can pause the video if you want to see that, but so yeah, I'll read it to you. Caution, do not aim at eyes or face. To avoid injury, use only darts designed for this product. Do not modify darts for dart blaster. Modify this if you want to. And what I really like is that this handle is silver, one of my favorite colors. And if you want to prime it like this, it's very, very complicated. But I can, but my arms need to be up really high, so I just personally like this. And the barrel rotates, and if you can hear that, it clicks. So that's awesome. And when you hit this, just like in my strong arm review, I was able to show this. So when you hit that button, this pops out. So this barrel popped out more than it used to now, and you can't really spin it very fast like this. And my strong arm review, the strong arm really good. But you could do a mod. I don't remember what it's called, but I think it was the dropout mod. Yeah, that means you I don't know how you do, but it somehow makes it so the barrel pops out way more than this. But anyway, I just like to load it personally like this with nope because that'd be just really nice. So yeah. So how to prime it, really simple. Just pull this back. Very simple. Like that. Well, until you hear a click, and then fire. And if you listen, hard. 30 feet for a small pistol, that's actually pretty good for an edge strike. But yeah. So, and it also says Maverick Rev 6 on both sides, so it doesn't matter if you're right-handed or left-handed. So that's good. So, yeah. Look at the front of the gun. If you see that crack right there, I don't know what that's from. Maybe one of the screws is loose or something, but I'll figure it out. I mean, it's still fine. It doesn't affect anything. The barrel won't pop out or anything. It won't pop out. That's good. I can prime it like this, but it's very hard. I need to do that. So if you look behind me, that's Spider-Man head, like that. Pretty awesome. And if you look over there, there's a Green Lantern thing right there. Over there. That's Green Lantern thing. So if you like Green Lantern, just behold, or Spider-Man, whatever. So yeah. And now, of course, let's use some fire. So first, let's load up our darts. So I'll do 2 flat and 3 angled. So that's what I'll do since I don't have 6. If I did have 6, I would do 3 flat and 3 angled, obviously. But since this isn't an even number, I'll just do that. So yeah. So I know how I'm going to do this, but yep, it's okay. So, like always, this is our natural firing thing. Let me just put the camera up higher. There, that's better. Tell me if this camera angle is okay in the comments down below. So, here we go. So one shot flat. And this is also a very consistent gun. You're wondering what that means if you're in like kindergarten or something? Because I'm in second grade. It means that they all land in about the same place. I don't know if it'll change, but I know this does weaken a little bit, maybe a lot, but a lot of people say this jams 99.9% of the time fire, but for me, it's only jammed like twice, so that's good. So just ignore that. If anyone else says it on YouTube, like Nerf Solcom, Nerf Productions, I don't know if he's ever done a review on the Maverick, but whatever. Well, he has done a review on the modified Maverick, but anyway, back to fire test. So another flat. So as you can see, both of them land in pretty much the same spot. Now one angled. That one lower than the second flash shot. So now let's hit that. Oh, that one hit the top, as you can see there. That one was terrible. So now try another one angled. That one about the same as a leveled shot. And we're out. So as always, this was Cool Nerf Productions. Signing off.